Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today, Yousite will show you how to properly clean your HITI CS200e card printer to keep it in good working order and extend its service life. First, let's clean the transfer roller. The adhesive card can effectively remove dust, debris, and contaminants from the transfer roller. Next, let's clean the print head. Use the cleaning pen to gently wipe the surface of the print head, making sure to remove all dust, debris, and dirt. If there is dirt on the surface of the print head that is difficult to remove, you can also use a squeeze sponge swabs. Squeeze the sponge gently, and after it is slightly moist, gently wipe the surface of the print head with the sponge. For hard-to-reach places, you can use a sponge swab with a short or long handle. Gently wipe the transfer roller with a sponge swab. Finally, use a cleaning wipe to gently wipe the interior and exterior surfaces of the printer to ensure that dirt and contaminants are completely removed. A new cleaning rollers is required every time the ribbon is changed. At this point, our cleaning tutorial comes to an end. By cleaning your printer regularly, you can keep it in good working order and extend its life. Thank you for watching.